Hey guys, I'm in the Florida Everglades and I'm shaking hands with a swamp puppy. Every night I spend hunting that 20-foot Burmese python. It's raining out here. He has to be out here somewhere. I think this sleepy crocodile is trying to ignore me. This crocodile is angry. I'm just trying to help you cross the road, buddy. Ooh, a python. Yoink. Yoink. We got a tokay gecko. Ooh, what do we got here? Yoink. Check out this large scarlet snake. This guy's so pretty. Oh, this is a classic. Yoink. It's a Brooks King. I find these guys absolutely everywhere. Look at him wag his cute little tail. Bullfrog. Yoink. Come on, tell me where that 20-footer is. Ooh, what do we got here? Yoink. Check out this garter snake. Most people don't know that they actually have a mild neurotoxin. Oh, look at this cute little boy. A gentle yoink. This is an Everglades rat snake. Love seeing these guys. What's up, Mr. Armadillo? Tell me where that 20-footer is.